Today, we're introducing the all-new RYOBI 18-volt ONE+ jump starter. This RYOBI jump starter is the first ONE+ tool of its kind, providing up to 1600 peak amps with the ability to jumpstart an engine as large as a 6-liter V8. This jump starter is the ideal solution for when your car, truck, or boat needs that extra bit of juice after long periods of inactivity or on those cold mornings. No longer will you need a second vehicle and jumper cables with this brand new product. This unit can operate in temperatures as cold as -4 degrees Fahrenheit with 800 cold cranking amps. Engineered with safety at the top of mind, the jump starter features anti-spark technology to give you that peace of mind that cables are safely connected to the battery. Using the onboard quick start guide with step-by-step instructions, you can have your vehicle jumped and running in as little as 60 seconds. The onboard LED work light provides increased visibility, whether working on the side of the road, at night, or in any low light situation. Best of all, it's part of the RYOBI 18-volt ONE+ system of over 280 cordless products. The RYOBI 18-volt ONE+ jump starter will be available starting fall 2023 in both a tool-only configuration as well as a kit featuring a 2 amp-hour 18-volt ONE+ battery and charger in addition to the jump starter. The kit will be available in Home Depot stores, and the tool-only configuration will be available exclusively on HomeDepot.com.